Hey, Doug here. Just wanted to help you out and give you a few ideas as I've done my research on YouTube trying to find a way to clear out the mortar between the grout lines. I think I've watched just about every video trying to find the easiest way. I didn't find the easiest way, but I want to share with you the way I did find. I found people trying to use a soldering iron to solder out the plastic pieces that were left in between the grout lines. That only removes the plastic. Doesn't work. I watched them melt it all together. It took a long time. You also have a grout removing tool. The problem with this is when you slide it around, there's a chance you're going to damage your tile. You're going to mess up the edges of your tile. Just really don't recommend this. I've watched other people try to use just a regular old X-Acto blade knife. Same thing, when you slide, you're working in such an 1/8 of an inch area. This, you're going to be poking around. Chances are you're going to slip, cut yourself, or possibly it's going to take you a long time. You do have your scraper. I do recommend this for going back and scraping along the edges. That works great. But what I do recommend is for my oscillating tool, I bought a 4-pack of diamond blades. I'll show you how to clean these out really quick and not use any of those other tools that I've seen across YouTube. So once again, let me get this set up. I'll put a link in the YouTube video of the kit. This is the kit I bought on Amazon. I'll go ahead and put a picture or the link in the video for you. It came with a 4-piece, 2 rounds, 2 flats, works great. Okay, we're ready to go here. Want to go ahead and clean out the grout lines, get it ready for grout. We got the old plastic pieces stuck in here from when we broke off our spacers. So we got some plastic pieces broke off in here that I want to clean out so I get a real nice grout line in there when I do grout. I'm going to go ahead and use the oscillating tool. Like I said, I'm a DIY guy, do-it-yourselfer. So don't forget your safety glasses first. And let's get to work and I'll show you how easy this is. Now, once you put it in there, there's no way to damage your tiles unless you slip or take it out. So make sure you get it in there real good. And let's just go ahead and knock this out. It's as easy as that. And you can go ahead and take that scraper I was talking about and just go ahead and knock off the rest of that. Make sure you got it real good there. And you are ready to go. All right, once again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. As a DIY guy, do it yourself. That is the fastest way I found to clean out the grout lines. And you will not break your tiles, crack the edges, or anything. And we want to do it the fastest, the easiest, and the best way. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and follow me for more tips as we knock this first bathroom remodel out.